Ishiaki, Ishiopupu. Go home and tell your parents to pay your school fees. You have been in elementary class for 5 good years. Your mates are there writing WAEC and jams. Now listen, orderly. Don't come back to this school again without paying your school fees. And dress properly next time you come to this school.
Story, story, story. I don't like your color, but that is by the way. Now you listen, headmaster. What are you teaching in this school? What are you teaching? Huh? I am not coming back to this school. Yes. Everybody, are telling me about school. I have made my research and I've come to realize that street and school, they don't be mates. And I know, you're going to educate India me.
Orderly, Papa, why have you chosen the path of destruction? Why can't you be a good boy for the last time? What happened to the school fees I gave you?
No, Papa. In a bubam repeat and I don't like it. Omogai teacher, I lost my school fees on my way to school.
Papa Odili. I don't know why you don't want this little boy to rest for you. Don't kill this little boy for me, please. He told you he lost his school fees. The only way out is just for you to look for a way out and pay for his school fees. Let him go back to school. Eh? Ijele,
you are the one destroying this boy. Yes, you have made him what he is. I wonder how bad you were when you were young.
Papa Odili.
Yes.
Don't try to insult me. Don't try to insult me. What kind of rubbish is this? Eh? Come. If you don't want to pay your son's school fees, tell me. Tell me and get ready to face my music in this house.
Ijele, no. Mataba. Calm down, Mama. I know Papa's problem. Old age is your problem. Mama, during your time, your generation, don't you for a young boy singing a swag? Why, Papa? What wrong choice now?
Rap if I want to swag, not just manage can name me. Or just can manually and name manually or that water. Name manually that water. Papa, listen. I am not going back to school. Makatu, I'm done. My mates are no longer in that school. Besides, street and school no be mates now. Mechanic. God forbid. No, God forbid. Mama, it's all about choice. I don't want to go to school anymore. Mechanic is my choice. So from tomorrow, I'm going to learn work. God forbid. Take your paper. Go school. You are getting up, eh? You are getting up. You've seen what you cost. You've seen what you cost, eh? Bodily. Hey,
The guy needs me. Inesu the guy me. Nobody else. You are gossiping with my name in this town. As a nice guy now. Abi? As a nice guy. As in watching Eke. In running way Quenso. Gazing here Quenso there, man.
Boss, I beg.
Bacharam Nama.
Boss, I beg. I beg.
Let me go lawyer.
Bazoriaya!
Boss, I beg.
In the Chamania. Because of people like you, wicked people like you in this village, I have decided to take over the security of this community to fish out bad eggs like you. Do you see me? Gossips!
Was because I never walk.
Today, Iga hun ke toro biati.
Was because I beg.
Back.
Was because
Bazwan na ba ya?
Let them go lawyer.
Na park here.
was because
Park here now.
God, good day.
Guy. Na park here.
Onye ocho.
Hey, you give me man. Come on, mother for another. Park here for my guy.
You give me man. Hey. Also.
Park here for my.
None of them all the boys not ready. Catching up on me for, but they know I'm gonna get it. Shout out to the niggas who be repping from my city, telling me together, man, finally we made it. Nwa Mbada, carry way. When you call him with 2 more, I call the way. Guys, my fools up, and they seem the way. Now, Wambo, in my hand, and what did he pay? Ha! Man, pass a no way. Yes, he got fun, I have all of them. Repping for these niggas from city to city. I know you got me evil, all of them. Killing all these niggas in my belly,
Wasted effort. Now, can you do show flip gun and come? This is bad luck. Which kind of heroes get with this? They don't pay her. Hi.
Ijele. Listen, I want you to warn your son as long as I'm the head of this house, I don't want my name to be dragged to the mud. I can't continue to pay for what he steals in this community.
And Azodo?
Yes.
Okay, Abafai?
Yes.
You are just ranting. Yes. Stop ranting. You are telling me to warn my son.
Yes.
Why are you the head of the family? You just said you are the head of the family.
Yes.
Talk to your son. Go to him. Talk to him. Man to man. That is what other men do in their houses. Go to him. Talk to him and stop warning me. Ogini?
Micheal, if I should get angry and then take him to the police, it's going to be mother and son crime. Because you are the one sending him to steal people's in this community.
Micheal, nke ọ bụla ikwutelu nnọọ ibulu, nke ọ bụla iji ọnụ ya kwute n'ọnụ ya, nke ọ bụla iji ọnụ ikwute ibulu. Onye ori.
Omuwa na-ezukwa ori.
Na-ejekwana mmiri ga-ama ya eke eluro. Ka nnukwu.
Let me not hear that again from you. Whatever happens, nobody will call me. You will pay for me.
Yo! Go and talk to your son. Man to man, you are afraid. You are afraid when it comes to Ijele, you will have strength. Ijele this, Ijele that. Go to the police. Mention our names, let me kill you in this house. Ijele this, Ijele that.
My fellow elders, I want to let you people know that this our community is in danger. And if we don't do anything now, our children will turn the Obi into a dancing hall.
Ndị obodo ekene m unu. Unu ataga mụ ebule. Asị m ekene m unu. Point of correction. I am not your child because none of you here gave birth to me. The next time I will hear any of you call me his child, I will cut off that person's tongue. Udo! I, the guy, and my boys have volunteered to take over the security of this community. We want to begin to fish out all these small boys that break into people's homes and steal their properties. What we need is your cooperation. If you cooperate with us, we will cooperate with you. Udo?
Please. Don't be angry. Calm down. Please. Which name are we going to call you? Hence you say we shouldn't call you our son again.
Udo! You can call me the guy. One more. I can be igwe. I can agbaji igwe. Onwero!
Well. We have heard you. I personally appreciate your concern about this community service. But let me ask, this